I'm just stretching. I hurt my neck while I was lying down. I think last night, like, I put my neck at a wrong angle, and I guess that gave me a cramp. Did a hair flip too hard? You're right. I was looking in the mirror, and I was striking a bunch of poses like this, just to make sure that my hair is still on fleek. And after testing that out, I decided to go to bed, and bam, my neck, dead. Just turn back time. I can't, like I told you, I only make sure that time is going by as smoothly as possible. I can't use time to my own personal benefit. Your hair is the most powerful in Hololive. That is correct. These hair strands, too powerful, too much for this world. Ugh. Did you hear that? That was my neck. Did you hear that? Whoa! Do it again. No, I'm gonna die. This can be my last stream if I do it again. I would be like the Crooked Man. Remember that game? Why are you doing it again then? Cause it was so nice! Neck crack go burr. That's right! Oh man! Don't overdo it. I'm totally gonna overdo it.